Alright, meron tayong question dito from Marlene Baez. So, ang question niya is, naghuhulog daw siya ng March 2024 to December 2024 for 700. And then, nag-increase siya ng from January 25 to April ng 2025, which is 750. So, magkano raw yung makukuha niya sa kanyang maternity SSS benefit? So, to answer this question, I'm gonna share with you some a website na pwede makatulong sa inyo. Let's go to this website, SSS Maternity Benefits calculator.com, and then ang kailangan mo lang ditong ilagay kung kailan ang expected due date mo. So, according to Miss Marlene, ang expected due date niya is July 7. So, ilalagay lang natin dito July 7 o July 2025. And then show. So, ang semester of contingency niya is from April 25 till July 2025. And then, ang qualifying period niya is April 2024 until March 2025. So, ibig sabihin, yung sa qualifying period niya, ito yung dapat na meron siyang hulog at least 3 months contribution. And then, yung next step natin, which is, may question dito, kung solo parents pa siya or hindi. So, in her case, hindi naman niya nabanggit kung ano. I-assume na lang natin na hindi. So, step 3. So, magkano yung sinabi niya dito? So, from March 2024 to December 2024, 700 yung hulog niya. So, since mag-start na tayo ng April 2024, lagay natin 700. Until December. And then from January, ang hulog niya, nag-increase siya ng 750 hanggang April 2025. Ayan, calculate. So, ang estimate na makukuha niya or maternity benefits na pwede niya makuha, according to this calculator, is 16,917.